Hi, it's Emily and thank you so much for clicking this video today. So I created this look today off the McGrath MotherShip Sublime Bronze Temptation eyeshadow palette. And I was actually gifted this by a friend for Christmas, so thank you so much. And I've been so excited to use these products. I haven't used any of hers yet, but they always have beautiful packaging. Every time I swatch her products in the store, it seems like it's amazing quality. So I was really excited to dig into this. And opening it up, and seeing the 6 colors, I actually decided to use all 6 colors on my eyes today. And so that's what I did, and if you guys want to see how I create this look and how I use this palette to get it, just keep on watching. First off, I'm going to start by priming my lids with this Morphe eyelid primer. I'm first going to set my primer with this translucent setting powder. I personally really like to do this because I feel it helps all the other shadows blend easily on top. I'm first going to start off with this beautiful color Burning Desire, and I'm going to start by building that up into the crease. I'm then going to take Dark Paradise, which is this really pretty chocolate color, and I'm going to build that into the outer crease and corner as well. Always make sure to blend out the edges as you go to make sure that everything is smooth. And then I'm going to take this beautiful red color in Corruption, and I'm going to start by putting this onto my middle part of my lid and my outer corner. I'm going to take this really pretty color Provocative. I'm going to blend that all over the lid and into the red that we just put down. For brows today, I kept it really simple and I just used the Morphe Cosmetics Brow Pencil and their Brow Gel. For my face, I'm first going to start off with Ket Cosmetics Foundation. To help correct and conceal today, I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I always like to personally set my under eyes right away with this translucent setting powder just to make sure it doesn't crease. For some color and contour today, I'm going to be using the Hoola Quickie Contour Stick. I'm then going to set all my creams on my face today with this translucent setting powder by IT Cosmetics. I'm going to be using this Pixie by Petra Shape and Shadow powder to just help deepen my contour and add some more color. For my blush today, I use a little bit of both Woody and Sweet, which is from the Morphe Cosmetics Warm Master Palette. Today, for highlighter, I'm going to be using the Becca Shimmery Skin Perfector in Pearl. I really love this liquid highlighter. It's always easy to blend out and it always looks really natural. For my lower lash line, I'm going to start off by taking Supernova, which is this really pretty sparkly green, and smudging that out into the outer corner and middle part of the lower lash line. I'm then going to blend that out with Burning Desire, which we used earlier in the crease. For my brow bone and inner corner highlight, I'm going to be using this really pretty color in Celestial. For my waterline today, I'm actually going to be using this Eye Safe Lip Crayon by Jeffree Star Cosmetics in Celebrity Skin. I always love to help all my layers melt together with this Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. For lips today, I'm going to be using this Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint in Uncuffed. I really love this color because I think it's a really beautiful color for everyday use, and I love how the formula is so easy to work with. Then just to add a little bit of gloss and shine on top, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Gloss in Fussy. And I'm just going to be placing this in the top and bottom of my center lips. So I'm going to be using these two mascaras to do my lashes today, and these are the same ones that I use pretty much all the time I do makeup right now. Thank you guys so much for watching this video today. I hope you enjoyed it. I really like how this eyeshadow look turned out. I think it's really unique and different, and I had so much fun using this palette today. I really love the colors and the formula. I haven't seen a lot of colors like this, and I'm just really excited to create more looks with this. So if you guys like videos like this and you want to see more like it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.